Alright guys, so we are at Midway Mall. So welcome back to the channel, Rush Fam. So we're driving from Midway Mall off Manningsville Road, and then we're gonna go down on Whitehall Avenue and then on to Red Hills Road. So that's where we're driving today. I've never covered Whitehall Avenue before on the channel, so this is a first record for Whitehall Avenue. So stay tuned, stay for the drive, and remember to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Remember to like the video and remember to leave a comment. Also consider sharing the video. You know, probably somebody else will get some value from the video. Somebody overseas probably can see what's happening in Jamaica, so always share the video, share it on your status, share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, so persons can see the beauty and the development that's happening in Jamaica. So we are currently on Whitehall Avenue, coming off Manningsville Road, and this will take us down to Red Hills Road. So stay tuned and enjoy the drive, guys. Alright, so we have Swallowfield Primary and Junior High. Just gonna turn in a little bit as I usually do, so you guys can get a little glimpse. Anybody on the channel ever attended Swallowfield Primary and Junior High? Their motto is learning for life. Let's head on back to the road. So we have Lawrence Drive to the left. Again, we're on Whitehall Avenue. Not one of the most upscale neighborhood, and it's one of those inner city communities or inner city areas, you know, where you have some squatting here and there, little violence here and here, some zinc fence here and there. I know a lot of time I don't come in these areas, so I always want to ensure that I give you guys a lot of varying content from all different sides of Kingston and all different sides of Jamaica. Some of the roads though and avenues that branch off Whitehall Avenue, you know, they lead into some very nice communities though, so that's one thing. Guys, continue to enjoy the drive. guys, so we're back on Red Hills Road. So we have Red Hills Mall over on the right, and that's where we're going. Just gonna highlight some of the shops over this area. I think I may have done a walk-in video over here before, but I'm gonna double check. If I find that walk-in video, I'll definitely put it in the comments for you guys. But just gonna highlight some of the shops over here. So we have a NCB ATM, GWIF, that's a church, Greater Works International Fellowship. We have a beauty store, clothes store, pharmacy and gift, department store and wholesale. So this is the Red Hills Mall right here off Red Hills Road beside Total. Red Hills Road, that's right in the center screen. That's Total gas station. So we have Max's department store now open, Mayfair Pharmacy. I think there is an Island Grill over here as well. So yes, there's an Island Grill over here. Yeah, so quite a few shops over here, and I think inside is like an indoor mall. So you have a lot more shops inside as well. But I think I covered it before, so I'll find that video and put in the comments so you guys can see on the inside. So there's loans over here, and as I said, Island Grill drive through. Alright, so just gonna turn around for you guys so you guys can see another glimpse. Alright guys, so Red Hills Road Pharmacy, that's where we're ending the video. Thanks so much for clicking on the video, and hope you guys enjoy the drive. Have you guys ever been to this mall before, Red Hills Road Mall? Let me know in the comments if you've ever been here before. Alright guys, so see you on the next driving video, our next community drive. See you on another video.